Hi friends, welcome back to Best of Tech. In today's video, we are going to see the review of boAt RTL. So let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. boAt branding. So this is how the unboxing experience is. You get an warranty card. So this is the watch. Let's peel off its stickers. So this is how the watch looks like. So this is how it looks like from other angle. So let's talk about looks now. So this has a glass and it is Gorilla Glass 5. It has a metal frame and the power button and main button, and the strap's quality is average. It's completely of leather. So let's talk about boAt RTL UI. UI is okay for the price. So this has a battery life of 12 days, and thank you so much for watching. And